Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset the X96M. As you can see, we have to go straight to the settings. Here in settings you can go way down. We have here system. In the system we can find all kinds of information about the system and the option as well. We have backups, we have reset. As you can see, we are selecting at the reset right here. So we know that we are resetting our device. In the reset we have now 4 different options. We have here reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, which is the first option. Next we have reset app preference. This is the second option. We have erase all data factory reset, the third option, which we'll be using it like we always use. Press erase everything and this should be now rebooting. When you press it, everything will be erased. Now we have to wait until it will erase everything and the slideshow will begin, and then we should have a successful result and all our problems will be solved. As you can see, it's erasing. We have the slideshow and then we will have again the first page of the smart box. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Let me know. I will read all your comments and reply to you. Thank you very much for your time and support. Again, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart box.